Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you not only how to make a paper ninja star, but also how to turn it into a spinner. This model is actually really easy to make, you don't need any glue, just a few pieces of paper. I'll start by showing you how to fold a ninja star. For this part you'll need two paper rectangles. To get them, I'm simply going to fold a square in half. Then, using this crease as a guide, you could cut it, but I will just tear the paper along the fold. Now that we have both halves, we'll separate one and fold it in half vertically. Now fold it in half again, this time horizontally. And unfold it. Now we are going to fold the top side to the right, diagonally, until the middle crease. Next, we are going to fold the bottom side to the opposite direction. Once done, let's take the second rectangle and repeat the same step by step, but this time by bringing each side to the opposite direction. With both parts ready, let's flip them over. So this side is facing up. Now fold the corners of each piece. With that done, we will leave the first piece in the same position, and we are going to flip the other one over and place it on top. Now all we need to do is to fold the corners and tuck them under these middle layers of the other piece. Let's do the same on the other side. Just reinforce it a little bit at the end. And now we have a paper ninja star. To turn it into a spinner, we are going to need two smaller squares. We'll start by folding the paper in half. Then we're going to fold both sides to the middle. Repeat the same logic horizontally. With that done, fold it in half along both diagonals. Flip the paper over. Fold all 4 corners to the center. Unfold and flip it over again. Now fold the right and left sides to the middle again. Then do the same with the bottom and top side, creating these 4 corners. Leave 1 corner on each side for now, just to make the next step easier. Then flip the paper over again and close the paper by folding all 4 sides to the center. Once done, the 4 corners are now pointing down. Now we need to tuck these corners into these 4 layers of the ninja star. To do that, we can fold each of the corners in one direction to make it easier. Then we start placing them on each layer. You can place them like this, just the tip first. And at the end, just push them all the way. With this side done, we are going to repeat the same logic to do the same on the other side. So, we fold the other square just like before, and then simply tuck it into the other side. And now we have a modular origami spinner shaped like a ninja star. You can still adjust the details a bit at the end. Like I said at the beginning, you don't need to use glue, but if you want to use it to make it a bit stronger, there's no problem. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.